of the ground under which one ore is found. Gravel, dirt, and gemstones are washed down through the rock. The specially washed surface separates the gemstones from the mud. The recovered gemstones are handed over to experts to research it. Rough-colored stones are washed, truncated, and assigned the best orientation to achieve the most appropriate cut and maximum depth of colors and brilliance. Then, their shapes are refined before being faceted and polished until they shine. The round, brilliant cut, which can incorporate as many as 154 facets, is the most popular faceted cut for most stones. Rubies and sapphires have a hardness level of 9. Emeralds, topaz, and amethyst have a hardness level of 7. Other stones rank lower on the scale of hardness.
Jest fajna. Bardzo fajna. Deszcz się
People of later generations who have encountered these Chiang Mai. With our warranty system, our customers can be fully assured that all of our products are of a standard price and quality.
gäller